Welcome to the Back Shack. Well, the summer days at the Back Shack are over. It's definitely the thick of winter now. You can probably see it's a real snowy winter wonderland right now. So it's time to switch gears from the refreshing drinks and the tiki drinks. We're going to make a really nice, hot, strong drink that's going to warm us up all inside. It's the blueberry tea. Okay, we're back at the Back Shack. It's a nice snowy day. You see, it's a real winter wonderland. Oh, jeez. Oh, these are the dangers of being out at the Back Shack. Anyways, we're going to start making a blueberry tea. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Oh, now that was a good one. All right, so let's get started. So we see we have a little friend here. We made a snowman, and I'm full of snow too. Now, what I did is I kept my drink inside, I kept my glass inside to keep it warm. I'm just going to put a little hot water in here just to keep it warm for another minute, just so the glass stays warm and it won't crack when we put in the hot tea. Now, it's actually quite a simple drink, but it's really neat because of the way the flavors combine. Totally changes the whole flavor profile of the drink, and I think you'll like this. Whether you live in a hot place or a cold place, just the flavor alone is just really good with this. And it's one of the few cocktails that actually uses tea. There's some things like the Earl Grey Martini, which uses Earl Grey tea, and so on, but there's not a lot of cocktails with tea. There's a bunch with coffee, but not with tea. Again, pretty simple. What we need first is 1 ounce of Amaretto, and I'm using Di Serono, but if you can get the actual Amaretto brand, that's fine too. So a nice ounce of Amaretto. And then we need an orange liqueur, so you could use Gran Marnier, triple sec, Cointreau, probably even this dry curacao would work, but I think kind of traditionally Gran Marnier is the one that is used for this. So 1 ounce of Gran Marnier. And then we top the whole thing off with some orange Pekoe tea. So just regular run-of-the-mill Tetley tea. We're here in Canada, we have red rose tea. Any kind of British orange Pekoe tea will work fine. We've got a nice hot pot of tea. And so you want to put in about, it's really to taste, but I'd say somewhere between 4 to 6 ounces. I'll fill it up partway here. Excellent. Now that'll probably mix it and incorporate everything pretty well just by pouring it in, but we'll give it a little bit of stir here. And there we have it. We'll knock the snow off of our coaster here, and you can enjoy a nice blueberry tea. Cheers. Okay, let's taste the blueberry tea. First I'll see if there are any snowballs coming. No, I'm safe. So I can focus on the drink. I haven't had one since last winter actually, and had it out here in the backyard at the Back Shack. You really get it's a neat mixture of the orange Pekoe, which isn't an orange flavor, orange Pekoe regular hot tea. And especially the Amaretto, it's coming right through. And it's amazing, like the 3 flavors, the Amaretto, orange liqueur, and the tea. I don't know how it works, but they just combine to taste like blueberries. So it's like drinking, almost like drinking, if you have like a nice sort of berried flavored iced tea kind of thing. Not too sweet though, because we haven't added any sugar or anything like that. It's just regular tea. and then our 2 liqueur ingredients. So, but it doesn't seem too boozy either, so it's probably a little bit dangerous and misleading too. But very nice. I don't know if you can see the steam, head of steam coming off here. Really, really nice looking drink. So refreshing. Well, I shouldn't say refreshing like if you're hot at the beach kind of refreshing, but refreshing in that it's kind of a bright drink. We did the hot buttered rum recently, and that's a real like sort of deep, spicy flavor, flavorful kind of drink. This one definitely has flavor, but it's more of this kind of fruit flavored, berry flavor, without seeming too boozy. And again, like the other drink, great on a day like today, where it's hot, or sorry, where the drink is hot, but I'm cold. And so I could hold the nice warm glass in my hands and just enjoy this. So whether you're in a hot climate or a cold climate like me, or somewhere in between, I definitely recommend trying out the blueberry tea. Very simple to make, delicious, something you can really enjoy year round. But nice, obviously, if you're out on a nice cool day. Well, thanks again for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've tried a blueberry tea, or you think you might try it, or let me know what you think of it if you've had one before, put that down in the comments below. And if you have any ideas of any other nice cold weather cocktails that we can do out here in the Back Shack, put that in the comments below as well. And subscribe, that'll help me to make more of these videos, and share this with your friends. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.